Okay, now when you look at this question critically, the question says find the value of x in the diagram below. Find the value of x in the diagram below. Now when you look at this question critically, you realize that this question is applying the principles of angle at a point. Okay, the principles of angle at a point. Okay, now this principle applies to the sum of angles around a circle. Okay, the sum of angles around a circle. So this is the point here, and you can see there's a point here connected to this point, connected back to this point, and connected back to this point. Okay, so it's a circle, it's a complete circle, right? It's a complete circle. Now at each circle we have angles located at them, right? There's an angle here, there's an angle here, there's an angle here. Now when you sum all these angles here, you are supposed to get 360, because the sum of angles around a circle will give you 360 degrees. Okay, so here when you come to the solution, I have x plus 10 degrees, which is here. Then we have 4x minus 30, which is here. Then we have 2x plus 30 degrees, which is 360 degrees. That is the principle of angle at a point. Okay, or sum of angles in a circle. Okay, so when we sum all the angles, you get 360 degrees. Okay, now after doing this, we need to group items. It means that we need to send all the s to one side and all the numbers to the other side, right? The numbers containing the variables to one side and all the angles or the constant to one side, right? So here we group all of them together. So here we have the x plus 4s plus 2s in one point. Then we have this 10 degrees here. Then we have minus 30 here. Then we have plus 30 here is equal to 360. Okay, so this will be summed together, this will also be summed together. Okay, so we have x plus 4s plus 2s, s plus 4s plus 2s. Now the coefficient of this s is 1. Okay, so it means that we'll add 1 plus 4 plus 2, that will give us 7x. Okay, so when you add 1 plus 4 plus 2, you get 7, then you add the s to it. Now when you come here, you have 10 degrees minus 30 plus 30. So we have 10 degrees minus 30 plus 30. Now we have negative 30 plus positive 30. These will cancel each other. Okay, this will automatically cancel this. So it will be left with 10 degrees. Okay, now the 10 degrees and the 10 degrees will add 7s to it. So we have 7s plus 10 is equal to 360. Now we need to bring this here, right? We need to find the value of it. So we need to bring the 10 degrees here. When these 10 degrees come here, it become negative. Okay, so this become negative. So here we can see we have minus 10 degrees here. We bring it here. So we subtract 10 from 360 degrees. We'll be left with what? 350 degrees. So 7s is equal to 350 degrees. Now we need the value of x. So what should we do? We need to cancel through by 7. So we cancel through by 7. Okay, so this 7 cancel this 7. Now this 7 will go into 350 how many times? 50 times. 7 will go into 35, 5, then you add a 0. That will be give you 50 degrees. Okay, so we have our solution to be s is equal to what? 50 degrees. So that's the solution for this simple question.